my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. It is July 2nd in my Christmas in July series. No guarantee that I'll have a video every single day in July, but I'm going to try because it is, after all, Christmas in July. Okay, enough babbling by me. So I am going to record 2 videos this morning because, to my surprise, I was actually reached out by a company to promote their website. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, hopefully there'll be more of those to come. But if you're curious, it is VIP cross stitch. So, but that will be in a different video. So, but this is, after all, right now doing Christmas in July content. So, my surprise, the intro. I hope you enjoyed the intro of my last video because that made me smile. It was exciting. That intro will definitely come back when it gets closer to Christmas, probably after Thanksgiving, because that, for our family, that's when Christmas starts, is on Thanksgiving, because traditionally that's when all the Christmas decorations come out. I put up the tree and decorate the house starting usually on that's part of Thanksgiving Day, on top of eating a lot of food. So it's a short video, so I'm looking at my list. As soon as I find my list. Where is my list? Oh, there's my list. Okay, my list. And I think we're going to do a short video. We will discuss my little snowman. Oh, he's right here. I don't know if you can see him. You probably have seen this snowman already, because he was on my last work in progress video as a finished object, and I think he was part of my Finish It Friday. I traditionally make these. So far I've only made them for my brother and sister, my mom, and the favorite aunt. I'm sure all of you must have a favorite aunt. Actually, she was the aunt that spoils all her nieces and nephews because she didn't start her own family. I guess decided to just remain single, or it didn't work out for her, so she actually spoiled all her nieces and nephews. And I got her one of these too, but I think I also made a couple small ones for my grandchildren, but I might, if I start early enough and don't put this off, I might make more of these. Actually, I already got one done. I might make one for each of my grandkids. And I have a whole lot of grandkids. I have 13, with, I think, one more on the way due in September. You know, another part of this is, well, actually they're all our grandkids, but part of like the mixed marriage thing, because like I said, my husband had 2 children and I had 3 children, and his oldest son has 4 children of his own, plus his wife also has 2 children, and they're adults and they have children, so we have great grandchildren. And then my oldest, and only my oldest daughter she has 4 kids of her own. So so anyway, we have a lot of grandkids. I digress, and we're going to I might make snowman for each one of those. Okay, so this will be a short Christmas in July video. If you did like this video, please give it a like. Want to see more content like this? Please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.